Hello guys, this is Lance and today I'm just going to show you how to remove a door panel on this 370Z. All you need is a popper like this to remove all the small panels and a 10mm socket to remove the 3 bolts. One is this one right here and the other 2 is on the bottom. On the bottom right here is where you can see the plastic piece. We just remove that and then take out the 2 bolts that I'm talking about, and then right after that just move on and you can take out the whole door panel. Right here, we're just gonna pop out all the clips and just make sure to start on the bottom. And once everything is loosened up, it should be easy for you to take out the whole door panel. So when it's like this, you just need to remove the 2 door latch and this one. If you're doing the passenger side, there's only 1, and then if you're doing the driver side, there's 2 of this. And pretty much that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.